But before that, let me enlighten to you what is pattern in nature. Pattern in nature are visible regularities of form found in natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can be sometimes be modeled mathematically.
This video is a snail cell is an example of multiple fractals in nature because snail cell appears to have a very similar shape. The cell layer laid down the day before in order to generate a new layer. This flower is called orchid, one of an example of flower patterns in nature because of specialized color, often showy flowers with colors and structures that attract insects, pollinators, and more ornamented than the other petals and sepals. This video is showing a meander's pattern in nature, means a self-avoiding closed curve which crosses a given line a number of times.
Fern is an example of fractal. The shape of a fern is synthetically detailed, as you can see that the leaves are shaped like a little copies of the branches. In fact, the entire fern is mostly built up from the same basic shape repeated over and over again, at ever smaller scales. The papaya leaf is an example of Vienne pattern. The Vienne follow the contours of these lobes, creating a radiating network that support the leaf and facilitates nutrients transport. Adium obisum is a radial symmetry. The leaves of Adium obisum are arranged in a spiral pattern along the stem, maximizing sunlight exposure for each leaf. The gomamela flower is a Fibonacci pattern because in a gomamela flower, the number of petals follow the Fibonacci sequence. The gomamela flower is a fast-growing evergreen scrub with dark and green and glossy leaves with dicot flowers. Crocks. Crocks often seen in a dry landscape, mud crock and tree barks. This pattern arises due to the tension and drying.
That's all, guys. Thank you for watching.